You fall in love too easy. Who you tryna impress? You don't love, believe me. You fall in love too easy. Who you tryna impress? You don't know love, believe me. You fall in love.
Alright, so here at the diverter valve, here goes your little step-by-step tutorial how to put it in. They actually give you instructions versus APR, but this is your stock valve. It's completely trash. Like, look at this. It's, first of all, it's plastic. That's one. Then, like, when you take it out, this might get stuck, this top part right here, but I'm gonna show you how it is. Yo, what is this? B-dub, what is this? And then this part comes out too. But yeah, that's trash. This really is trash. We got a boost gauge that topped out around 11, so we're gonna tell if they saying the truth. But it doesn't look like they be telling the truth, because this is way more better quality than that. So putting this together, it's really simple. I'm gonna hold it in here and put this as a holder. You're gonna take this new spring, throw it in here just like this. This is why I hate wearing gloves. Yeah, it's over. That spring gone. It's done up. Then you're gonna take this. Can you see that? You're gonna take that, which is the replacement of this, and boom, throw it on there. Let's get that to focus up. It's not gonna stay down. It's spring. It's loaded. So just hold it like this. Keep it on there. Boom. Boom. So then you take this, and it's gonna be like this, so forth. Can you see that? Put it right on top. Make sure you kind of like center the O-ring. It's not gonna be perfect, but you want it to at least get somewhere, and crush it down. But you can't keep it crushed down because you know you're working. So just take your other spring now, place it on top of there. Now take this, you might want to put, this is the part where I say put some oil in here too to help out, but I just want to show you guys how to do it first. You see I was like, you know, a little resistant. Hold that. So take your oil, put it on here, coat it up, coat all your seals, and then it's gonna slide straight in like that. To help your life out, you can probably do this half first, do this half second, or do this half first, do this half second, and then take both pieces and squish them together. And then there goes your new diverter valve. It's not complete together, but I'm just trying to show you guys the concept. And then when you put it in, also make sure you remember how your sensor is located, because you have to put it in back the same way. Don't try to clock it or nothing. Put it back, everything how it came back the same way. Aside your little go fast parts.
Look at that glove.
Damn. Oh yeah, also yeah. Some of you guys might get a little scared, confused, like, oh no, I seen a video, this is not what I have. V-dubs give you 3 different types of this valve. Yeah, that's bad. I don't know, I'll put it up in the sunlight, but there you goes your blue one, which commonly is a lot. We have the D one, which is, you know, that. Everything matches up. And also, that's a great way to show you guys how to do clip, because the clip is hard. So I really want to show you guys that, and there you go. They showed it for you. So I really recommend this company, Go Fast Bitch, if you've never heard of them, because they actually did a good job. Thank you. Time to put this in the car again. They have a marker. You see that pin right there? Make sure that matches up. And then once you push everything down through oil, all the seals and stuff, it snaps in. You see how I'm not even holding it. That's a spring in there, everything. It all holds itself together. That's great. So when you put it in just one piece, that's fantastic. Like I said, I oiled this thing too right here. All the metal. All I did was just take some of the oil out the motor. I mean, you could use new, but it's the same shit. If you don't feel safe using that, then you need to change your oil, because it's ridiculous. It's all one piece, nice and easy. I forgot to tell you guys, these are a T5 bolt, the hex head. And this is my setup. I use this with a, and then I switched over to this. So I put this for the bottom one, and then the two top ones, all I needed was this. And my hand was in there crazy. I just gotta show you how it is when I do it. And also to show you guys, look how small these bolts are. Look how long these bolts are. You see? And these bolts are shiny, I like that. I like shiny stuff. See, the thing about having a new car, yeah, that oil is the valve cover, gotta change it. But the thing about having a new car is everything comes on butter. Once you break the bolts, just a little bit of threads, you can literally take them out by hand. So you don't have to worry about fully threading them all the way out. Like, they just break them a couple turns and then take it out by hand. Make it like so much easier. I had the ratchet in here. Let me find the ratchet first. I had the ratchet in here and my hand like so. Like, I had it all crazy, like bent up like that, doing like that. I've seen people go through this angle, which is, it's not bad, it's a great angle, but I'm slim enough. Like, look at my arm. I'm slim enough to just mow and finesse. That's how I do my work. But if you need to get a nice long extension, swivels, go through the side, you can't. Anybody can, it's nothing you can't do. So like I said, don't take off this bolt. This bolt is not going to the diverter. This is the line, so you'll be taking off for no reason. I don't know why they did it to the bottom, but the car is now on the ground, looking good from the coilover job. Oh my god, this is slowly coming together. Got boost hat, new diverter valve, filters, gauge. Oh my god, this is about the illest V'd up. Everything wired up and working correctly. Make sure you're not in gear here. This might be a great ass mod for you guys to do. Oh, rip. That's just with the rev limiter. Now go ahead, rev. Let me get the turbo out the engine bay. Go ahead, rev that joint. Yeah, go ahead. Rev that joint. That joint. Oh, look at that joint down there. Oh my god. Yes, sir. Let's clean this up and go take a test drive. Yes, sir. You about to try to bust niggas' ass now. Line it up. Line it up. Stop playing.
Switch my whole lane, can't find my way back. Took me around in circles, feeling like my life is on a racetrack. Yeah, actions they were hurtful, kept my head up, got a face tax. I knew from the start, I went with my heart. They showed me the flag, the song I ignored. They said that you never lie, you don't know what love is, don't even try.
It looks like it too. It's like a little bit and it's boom, right there. Probably gotta get used to it.
Definitely changing sound though.
Yeah, too, man.
Yeah, a little more turbo is now. Like,
He got the pop. Well, see what doesn't pop. There's no tune. All this is no tune. So
yeah, no tune. But the tune, oh my god.
I can't even get free cold like drive.
I put it in my car just to let you know I can't fall in love, no I can't fall in love.
It lets them block you out of gears.